Namaste everyone, welcome to my channel. You're watching Smarty Tech Fizz and I am Anjali. So today we will see that how we can export the document with a nested type like this given here, that is the details with the array type and description with the array with the value of map types. Okay, if I'll show you, you can see here that too. This is the document and details is containing a array and description is containing a key value pairs, and C, that is a C key, is containing a array type. So firstly let's delete this for few minutes so that I can tell you clearly. Okay, so this is the document. We want these document in Excel, but if let's say we have already seen that how we can export the documents like in CSV or in JSON type in previous video. So firstly we will see like this. Let's say we want these columns too. So if you will mention it here like this, it's exported, it will export the documents, show all the values in a single column. You can see here I will show you. See, you can see there the description is containing all the values but in a single column, and details is also containing all the values but in a single columns. But if you want these data in a different columns, like A in this column, B key is containing in this column, details containing different columns for different values in the list. So how you will get that? So for this, what you need, if you have a data type of key of a map type like this, like for the description we have a map type for A and B as a key value pair. So we will see that for the description we will mention it at description dot A will be our key, and next will again description dot B, this will be the another key. You can see we have two keys, A and B. So we have mentioned the description dot A and description dot B. So after mentioning it, you can just run it here. See it done, and we will see what it exported. And yes, here you go. You can see it exported the document, the value of A in another column and B in another column. So you can export the key value pair like this by giving the key description dot A and description dot B. Now next is, what if you want the data of the array type in the next column, in different columns. So for this, what you need to do, let's say you have a details, we have three values in details, so we can mention it details dot 0 for first value, details dot 1 for second value, and details dot 2 for third value. As you know that arrays are start with the 0 index, so that's why we have mentioned as 0, 1 and 2. Now exported, it exported, cancel it and open it again. So you can see that it exported the documents of array in the different columns. So that is how you can export the different data types like array types or a key value pairs like a map type, different columns like this. So now I will show you the very easiest way that how you can export the document, either it is in a map, either it is in array, or either it is in a string or number. So what is that type? That way, just go to the Studio 3D. You may download it from the by googling it. Okay, I can even mention the link for that. You can download the Studio 3D, configure your server and go to your database, that is products, and just again right click on it, export collection. If you want it in the JSON type, you can go to the JSON. If you want in the CSV type, you can select the CSV. Then next, here it will show you all the columns. If you want certain columns or remove certain column, you can do it by this, like this. Okay, if you want to add it, just select it. If you don't want to add it, just unselect it. Okay, and then finish, and you can see that it is saving it my localhost Smarty Product TV and execute, and it's done. Okay, so we will see that where it is. We will go here, home, Anjali, and then it is local smarty techie products.csv. See, local smarty techie and products.csv. So here we go. We got all the columns and all the values in different columns. Either it is in map, either it is in string, or any other columns. You can get it by here. So this is one is the very easiest way to that how we can export the documents. So you can download the Studio 3D. So this is all about it for the Mongo export. So for the next topic, please meet it later, and till then, thank you. Bye bye. Take care.